Today, I'm in Nottingham to learn about lace. I'm in a store called Debbie Bryant, that's in the lace market. A long time ago, Nottingham was the center of the world's lace industry. I love lace, there's so many different designs. Although this place was called the Lace Market, it wasn't actually a market. It was more like a huge warehouse and factory.
Do you know where you are? You are, yeah. And do you know what city you're in?
Nottingham.
Well done. And do you know what Nottingham's famous for?
At one time, there was 1,800 frames knitting lace right here.
Let's have a look at some Nottingham lace then. So, believe it or not, this company who makes this lace now is the last company in Nottingham that is making lace. And they're really, really famous because, do you know who Prince William and Princess Kate is?
Yes.
So they made the lace that was on Kate's wedding dress. So we know that company and they're based here in Nottingham, so that's pretty cool. Have you got a favourite piece of lace here that you can see?
I like this one.
This one, what do you like about it?
I like the pattern.
You like the pattern? That's really
I like
cute.
this one.
Do you know which one you've picked? That is the one, that is the lace that was on Kate Middleton's wedding dress.
Oh.
Can you believe that? You've got a good eye there, well done.
Kate Middleton is a princess of England. When she married Prince William, her wedding dress was made of Nottingham lace. In the lace of Kate's dress, there were 4 different flowers. Roses for England, thistles for Scotland, daffodils for Wales, and shamrocks for Ireland, the 4 countries of the United Kingdom. And they were all made out of lace. Now that's a dress fit for a princess. When you get married, you have something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Her something borrowed was a tiara borrowed from the Queen. I saw the Queen's collection of jewelry at the Tower of London.
These laces here are from the company that I was telling you about. So they're called Cluny Lace and they're world famous. They make very, very intricate laces, so you can undo the little safety pin there and see it. And we send this lace still all over the world. It's really, really popular. You can see that.
Wow.
That's like...
Yeah, isn't that pretty? It's really delicate and really intricate. Can you see the little floral pattern there?
This is like half of my arm.
It certainly is, isn't it?
It's like not, and I can totally see through it. Yeah. Oh yeah, see through
I can kind of see the
What if your
pattern.
eyes were like this?
Ooh.
It would look pretty. Oh, that would be good for blindfolding. Then you could just see it. Yeah, it would be like hi, and everyone would be like staring at you.
Before the Nottingham Lace Market, lace was only made by hand. And then the Industrial Revolution. Suddenly, there was machines to make lace.
You know what? The whole world used to get their lace from here. Yeah? The whole world. The royals, kings, queens from all over different countries and things. So we're world famous.
Still today, people from all over the world order lace from Nottingham.
So these are all hand-drawn and these were created when Nottingham was kind of in its heyday for making lace, because it's been making lace for hundreds and hundreds of years.
As an artist, I like exploring the hand-drawn design. Every single pattern was hand-drawn by someone. There are hundreds and hundreds of patterns.
This one for you. This one, was it that one for you? Was that, have I got that right? Was that one yours?
Yeah, this was my
favourite. And there's one for you as well. And there's one for you as well. Thank you so much for coming to Debbie Bryant and visiting the lace market.
It was so much fun to visit the Nottingham Lace Market.